Hey, good morning. My name is Randy Nichols. I'm here at Treasure Coast Lexus, and I would like to introduce you to the new, 2019 UX 250H. Okay, front fascia, daytime running lights. You have standard 17-inch wheels on this vehicle. It comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus, which gives you dynamic radar cruise, as well as the lane departure alert with the steering assist, and all the other, safety features that Lexus offers on their vehicles. Okay.
So this is an SUV, huh?
Yeah, the new, what they call subcompact SUV.
Okay.
There's one bigger than this one, is the NX, but the UX is new to the lineup.
This car just came out, what, a month ago?
Yeah, just a month ago, we actually received it, and now we have a total of 10 on the lot right now, and with various packages, navigation, F-Sport, hybrid, as you can see this one, and then we have one that's a standard version that you can get as well.
That's right, man. Tell us where you're at again.
All right, this is Treasure Coast Lexus here in Fort Pierce.